The value of ETH is projected to increase by 5%, potentially reaching $3,921.73 by the end of this week. The current live price of Ethereum is $3,918.06 per ETH USD, with a market cap of $470.58 billion USD. The 24-hour trading volume is $25.09 billion USD. Ethereum is 0.07% in the last 24 hours. According to the input, the value of ETH may increase by 5% and reach $5,250.57 by 2030. Ethereum is anticipated to reach the maximum level of $6,500 in 2025 and could potentially go up to a maximum of $20,500 by 2030. Many experts believe ETH to reach a valuation of $40,000 by 2030. Ethereum price prediction on Monday, March 11th is $3,915 with a maximum of $4,189 and a minimum of $3,641. The prediction for Tuesday, March 12th is $3,987 with a maximum of $4,187 with a maximum of 4,000 $. March 13th is $4,293 with a maximum of $4,594 and a minimum of $3,992. The prediction for Thursday, March 14th is $4,226 with a maximum of $4,522 and a minimum of $3,930. They're forecasting for Friday in March 15th for some It's important to note that cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile and subject to frequent fluctuations. The predictions provided are based on various sources and should be considered as informational and illustrative purposes only, without representation or warranty of any kind. It's recommended to approach any investment decisions with caution and to conduct thorough research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment. In this YouTube video, we delve into the fascinating world of Ethereum price prediction. Join us as we analyze the factors influencing the price of Ethereum, such as market trends, technological advancements, and investor sentiment. Discover expert insights and predictions from renowned cryptocurrency analysts and gain a deeper understanding of how to navigate the volatile Ethereum market. Stay ahead of the game and make informed investment decisions with our comprehensive Ethereum price prediction.